Whatever you do not get any of these jobs in finance that I'm about to talk about. You know why? Because they pay too well, they come with too many opportunities, and honestly, your bank account might just get too happy with the alert you'll be getting. So don't get them. Okay, jokes aside, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 high-paying jobs in the finance sector, what they actually do, how much they earn, and how you can start moving towards them. Even if you didn't study finance, accounting in school, or you never had a banking experience, Wall Street experience, trading experience, whatever finance experience, economic experience, as the case may be, some of these jobs will be good for you. And don't click away, because you might think, I'm not a numbers person. Some of these rules are not pure maths. They are just about how do you problem solve, how do you manage people, and how do you use some tools to help the performance of the work that you do. Now, one of the reasons I'm recording this topic right now, it's because the cost of living is rising, rent is going up, groceries are going up, interest rates are going up. It's like every other thing is rising, but salary, it just stays at that point. It's still sleeping, it just stays at that point. So I want to just explain those details to you. And I found out that the finance sectors keep creating roles, and these roles pay. Some of them even have strong entry-level salaries. Some of them have big bonus potential, big bonus payouts, and a very good and clear path for 6-figure earnings. Some of them can even transit you into your self-employment, having your side business. There are so many things you can do when you understand finances. So instead of just looking at, hey, I don't know math, let's look at how you can develop career out of these finance jobs, okay? Let's get into it. So let's get into the 5 jobs you should definitely avoid if you don't want your bank account to sing praises. The first job is being an investment banker. Now, if you enjoy helping companies, helping businesses raise money, this is very good. You want to help companies work on big deals, seeing numbers on a spreadsheet, numbers that looks like phone numbers, but they're actually money numbers. You like that. You like seeing that for companies. You want to help companies raise money. This is for you. So investment bankers help companies. They help companies raise capital. They help companies merge or acquire other companies. They help structure financial deals. And some of them work at big banks and big advisory firms. The typical pay varies by country, varies by the firm they work, but a lot of these investment bankers earn very good base salary, plus they have bonuses depending on the deal they can bring in. The bigger, the company, the firm they work with, the bigger the base, and when deals go well, the bigger the deal, the bigger their cuts. Some of them, they earn bonuses in 5 figures, like 5-figure payouts. So if you are somebody who likes to structure deals, you have a business mind, you know how to raise money, find deals, find partnerships, bring deals together, you can work with organizations to help them find deals. But caveat, you must be able to handle long hours. You must be analytical. You must be comfortable with pressure, with deadlines. You must have people skills, and you'll be able to bring 2 parties together to strike a deal. You understand numbers, and you're ready for your big paycheck. So that's it. The second job type is a financial analyst or a corporate financial analyst, or somebody who is in charge of monitoring the financial performance of a project, of a company. Now, financial analyst or corporate finance analyst, some companies, they call them project controllers, cost controllers, as the case may be. They call them all financial controllers. These are people inside the company who ask the question, are we making money? Okay, is this project worth investing in? Is this project performing well? Are we profitable on this project? They have benchmarks in looking at how profitable any project they're working on has been for them. They build models, they do forecasts, they analyze how a project is performing, they help management to make smart financial decisions. They put all the parameters in place to make sure that every cost on the project is tracked so that they can be able to know if the performance is going well. And it has a solid starting salary and clear promotion path. Analysts, they become financial managers. Some of them become directors and VPs of companies, and it becomes central to how businesses spend monies and grows money. So if you like knowing how money flows through a company, you might accidentally become so valuable to be ignored. That's the truth. That's one of the positions I work in. Some of the skills include you know how to use Excel, you know how to, take data and grow through data to know the financial performance of organization. You can ask the question why, what's going on, get into details of the finances. So people who want a finance career inside real businesses will enjoy this role. You must be able to know how do you create, what are the invoices that are going out this month, what are the billables, what are the non-billables. Just having an idea of doing this, you know how to use Excel, depending on the tool, finance tool that the company is using, is going to really help you very much well in this position. I love that part of my work because that's what I do. That's number 2. Number 3 is finance management consultants. These are for management consultants who are very good with their finance tools. They are good with their finance tools. This is for people who like showing up, looking at a messy company and saying, here's what you're doing wrong and here's how to fix it. They can go into a company and fix the issues in that company. They can reconcile finance issues, balance their sheets, and they're just paid to fix problems. So as a finance focused consultant, you might be helping companies to cut costs, to improve profits, to restructure their operations, to evaluate the performance of their investment and how it's doing. And the pay is strong. In big firms, if you land consulting gigs, you can have performance bonuses. You are exposed to accounts of company. If you save them in money, you can get percentage of that. And that experience can turn you into high executive and leadership role that your business can sit on. Now, the side effect of this job is that you might start casually saying things like, oh yeah, we help them save $10 million. We help them. That's the side effect, because you're going to be saving companies a lot of money. And you're also going to be making companies a lot of money. This is for you if you are a problem solver, you like to make presentation, you like to solve analytical problems, you're good with Excel. You can look into this and pick up 1 or 2 courses on Udemy and buy and learn, okay, how do I apply this skill to be a finance management consultant? Number 4, these are risk managers or risk analysts. This is like being in the professional, you're the professional warrior of a company. You are the one that worries for the company. You project the issues even before they come. You are thinking of what could go wrong with our money, with our investments, with our project. What could the market do? What are the risks that we are not seeing? You are paid to decode worry. Like, you are paid to worry smart. You worry on behalf of the company. You analyze what are the issues, where we're putting money, the exchange rates, how is it affecting our profitability, the market risk, the operational risk, liquidity risk, what risk are we looking at? Okay. And you help the company put the plans in place to protect themselves. So if we put our money here, what will be the return? In what time frame versus when we put our money here, what will be the return? If we put our money in this currency value, what will be the return? Compare that to when we put our money in this currency value, what will be the return? So companies always value people that can protect them from big losses, foresee what the issues are. Banks, insurance companies, big corporates, people, they always need those kind of people that can see worry, see issues before they arise. And they pay them very well to spot financial issues and then quickly provide the solution. So if you're the kind of person who already worries a lot, if you like to worry, you might as well get paid for worrying. So that this could be for you. Okay. So if you're detail-oriented, you like what-if scenario, you like to think through what if this happens, what if this happens, what if this happens, you're a what-if person, that's really going to help you, okay? And number 5 are financial planners, wealth managers. This is the job where you help individuals and family plan their money, okay? As we live in Canada, you have different money instruments. You first help them plan to increase their income, understand the need for increasing the income, then save part of that income, all right, then invest part of that income to build wealth over time, then show them different accounts. Oh, we have the tax-free saving account, we have the registered retired saving account, RSP, I mean what the name is, but these are wealth managers that do those details. They help in planning and saying, why don't you put your money here and grow your money here? So you handle real people's life, daily lives, and you manage their finances. You show them the instrument, the things they can buy that will make their money grow, how money works, what they can earn from. And most of the time, when you bring these people and you first register, write necessary exam depending on your country, and in Canada you write your exam, and depending on the country and all the things you need to do, when you get qualified, you register with a brokerage, and then you'll be able to bring clients and get paid as as a commission for all the clients that you're bringing in, but you're helping family plan their wealth. Okay, this role can give you flexible income, long-term clients, ability to build your own brand, ability to even grow to build your own firm. So if you don't like the idea of ongoing clients and recurring income, then this is not for you. But if you like monthly pay, monthly recurring income, ongoing clients, people booking calls to talk to you because they see that you're a professional, you know what you're doing, then this is for you. Okay, especially if you like teaching, you like guiding people, you have good communication skills, people enjoy understanding, for you. Okay, all right, these are the 5 high-paying roles in finance, and I hope you enjoy this. So the next question is, how do you move towards this role? How do you move towards some of these jobs? Okay, and I'll be completely honest with you. These jobs are, some of them, yes, you have to have rich experience in it. You have to be a genius. But some of them, you don't have to. But if you have an attitude of learning and taking smart steps, paying for courses here and there that support some of these jobs, because these jobs are researched, it will really help you in establishing yourself. So the first thing I will go into is that, what's your money character? What's your finance character? So ask yourself, what do I enjoy? Okay, am I an analysis person? Do I enjoy spreadsheets? All right, then if you enjoy spreadsheets, you are good with Excel, you enjoy numbers on Excel and playing with numbers here and there. All right, then go for financial analyst, go for risk analyst. If you are somebody that likes to structure deals, you're like in sales, you're a salesperson, you're a marketing person, you like to talk to people, bring deals together for people, investment banking. All right, it can help you. Investment banking, wealth management, financial planner for people. Those things, they fit you. Don't try to be everything. For example, I am a financial analyst, okay, cost controller, and I use that in project controls. My wife basically is more in the financial wealth management side, okay, because of our people's skill. So learn what fits you and get into that role. Then the next thing is to learn the language of the job. Okay, what are the terminologies used in that job so that you get into the environment? What are the tools required in that job? Go to LinkedIn, go to Indeed, look at job roles. But common tools that people use is Excel, I've mentioned Power BI, different CRM tools. What are the certification needed? CPA, CFP, FRM, as the case may be. What are the certification needed for the role I'm picking? Okay, read and Google about some of the roles that I've talked about that you love and you're interested in. Now, the next step is approach people and talk to somebody in that sector. And say, oh, I'm looking at this. How do I get into this? Okay, talk to real people. Somebody who is a financial analyst, talk to them. Somebody who is a wealth planner, talk to them. How do I get into this? So give me the full lowdown of everything I need to know for this role, and it will help you to form an opinion, form your decision. You ask them, what does your day actually look like? All the things that you wish to know in that particular role. Bam. So today we look at the 5 high-paying roles in the finance sector and look at the practical steps you can take to start moving in that direction, no matter where you're starting from. And here is what I want you to remember. You don't have to stay stuck in a low-paying, dead-end role. If you're willing to always reskill, to reposition, and use your skill in industries, especially the skills that you have in new industries like the finance one I've mentioned, you will always grow. Okay, it's not just knowing Wall Street level of finance that gets you into the finance sector. It's for you if you're willing to learn, if you're willing to know how money flows, how decisions are made, and you can help a lot of company can get there and make a lot of money from it. Now, can you tell me in the comments which of these 5 finance roles are you going to try out? Which one piqued your interest? Just drop your answers in the comments, and I read a lot of them. It gives me ideas of videos to record in the future. Click the link. Okay, there's no link to click. Just put your comment down there. Okay, see you in my next video, and subscribe to this Work Smart and More YouTube channel. Have a good one.